detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be.
Hey, what's up guys? Got another video for you today. I'm showing you what is in my fridge. So let's take a look. Actually, we will start before we get to the fridge. We got some mangoes, a couple bananas, a lot of organic Roma tomatoes. Those are on sale. Back there, we've got some dried figs. Those things are great for snacking. All right, now here's the good stuff. Come on down, we got some cherries. We got some red plums. Got some red grapes. In the back there, we got some green leaf lettuce, some more grapes. We've got some apples back there. They should actually be down here. We've got some local organic spinach. This stuff is really good. I got 3 cucumbers. We got some avocado. Carrots. These are local carrots. We've got couple limes, some red leaf lettuce, strawberries. There's some, looks like we got some celery there that's either got to get used or tossed. Here we've got some raspberries, some more spinach, red chard. What's in there? Looks like some romaine. A few packages of dates. Down here. And just some apples, oranges, and some grapefruit. Alright guys, so that is how a raw vegan stocks his fridge, and I hope that gave you some great ideas on how you can shop at your next shopping trip. Alright, so I'm also gonna make a quick salad, so I want you to watch the dressing that I make as well. Now, this is a super easy, delicious, filling and hearty salad dressing that's gonna turn your next salad into a gourmet meal. Alright, so let's take a look. So we've got 4 Roma tomatoes, 5 sun-dried tomatoes. I've got about a half of an avocado, maybe a little bit less. I've got about 1/3 of a cucumber in there. And I've got a little bit of cayenne pepper. Oh, and I also put 1 little clove of garlic in there. So, alright, so I try not to blend too long, no more than like 30 seconds, because then I feel like there's a little too much oxidation that's taking place, and I want to keep all those antioxidants and essential components of that food intact. So I think this is going to be pretty dang good. Look at that. Alright, so I'm going to give it a quick test. Ooh, that's super good. So the avocado gives it that creamy texture. The garlic gives it a little bit of a zing, a little bit of like Italian or a pizza type flavor. And you know, the sun-dried tomatoes and the tomatoes together make just a perfect tomato sauce in general. So let's pour it on the salad. Mmm, yummy. So look at this. Mix it around. You know, this is how you make salads into meals. You make a delicious salad dressing, and you make enough so that it coats the entire thing. You want to get a lot of dressing in there so it's got a nice boost of calories to that not so calorie dense lettuce, you know, or whatever other greens you're using. So you mix it up, and then let's just give this a really quick taste before I let you go. Mmm. Mmm. That is good. All right, guys. I guarantee you try this one out. If you like tomatoes, a nice creamy tomato sauce, this is gonna be one of your favorite recipes. I can guarantee it. All right, I will catch you in the next video. Hope you found this helpful. I will see you later.